In this video, I'm going to show you this corner cross style pattern on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Check out my other videos showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4, and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern, you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube, so you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube, and you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to do this pattern, we just need to use an algorithm, and that algorithm is F, B, I, U, F, U, F, U, L, B, L2, B, I, U, F, I, L, U, L, I, B. So let's do the algorithm then. We go F, B, I, U, F, U, F, U, L, B, L, 2, B, I, U, F, I, L, U, L, I, B. And that gives us this pattern on the corner. So to undo this pattern, like always, if we can use the original algorithm, then I will if we can. And this one, you can also use the same algorithm. So we want a point here where they meet, on the top right, this is our front face, and we can just repeat the same algorithm 2 more times. That will rotate the colours once, and then rotate the colours twice, putting them back in the original position. Let's do the same algorithm. We go F, B, I, U, F, U, F, U, L, B, L, 2, B, I, U, F, I, L, U, L, I, B. And we've still got the same pattern, except the colours are rotated once. And we'll just repeat it one more time. F, B, I, U, F, U, F, U, L, B, L, 2, B, I, U, F, I, L, U, L, I, B. And that puts us back to a completed Rubik's Cube. Hope it helped, guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos. And also, if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.